Hey you guys, it's Molly. I am doing a challenge that Olga from Smart Art Materials posted in her Facebook group. So you guys can check her channel out and check that out for the exact specifications for the pour. But I'm going to be doing a kiss pour that she had created a few months back, which is really cool. I've already coated my canvas in white, so the specifications were white negative space, a kiss pour with warm colors and cool colors, and starting from dark and layering up, I don't know if you guys can see that, to light. So I'm just going to start in the center and start kissing. Okay, so I've got that part. Looks pretty cool. I do like it. My white kind of faded things out a little bit here in the middle, so I'll see once I stretch it out. I have a lot of paint in here, and I saw a blob of something. I guess I'll try to find it a little bit later. Here it is. That's a big blob. Wow, that was a gigantic. I had let my paint sit for a while, so that must have come out, but that'll probably pour off the edges anyway. All right. So here we go, tilting. I'm gonna try to get that ugly part off first. It's really important when you tilt any type of ring pour, any of these pours, that you tilt slowly and you know where the weight of your paint is. So I have a lot of paint on here, but I really like that side. I'm gonna go off this side a little bit more. So I'm using the Arteza colors in this because they're always quite vibrant. I'm really liking the center. I'm liking what's happening over here as I stretch this out. I might leave this just like that. And I'll list all my colors in the description down below, and then I may just blow just a little bit. Ooh, I have all these little cells popping up right there. And I've got a bunch of cells popping up on both of the sides. That's really cool. It's super cool. All right, let me turn this around. There. Okay, I really like it. Good job, Olga. Let me wipe my hands and then I'll show you guys. I'll take you in for a close-up. Okay, so I brought you around on this side. So all of my sides ended up having those cells because the paint was thinner down the sides, but those are the cells for me blowing it out there. And then that's the center. The center is super cool. This is just my house paint mixture on the bottom. But that's the effect that you get from the kiss pour. So great challenge, Olga. Challenge accepted. That is my version. You guys let me know what you think. Tell me if you guys have tried the challenge as well, if you're in Olga's group, her Facebook group. that crimson in there, that red is really beautiful. I had those little cells right there pop up. But I really like that center. Let me get out of the light. Yeah, so I really like it. All right. Kiss Poor June Color Challenge. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like it. Happy painting.